How to add overlay on Snapseed. Are you guys facing issues to add overlay on your Snapseed app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Snapseed on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Snapseed on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open up the app, now click on the plus icon and browse to the image that you want to add overlay. Now tap on Tools, then select Double Exposure. After you select the double exposure, now tap the image icon at the bottom of your screen and choose the overlay image. This can be light, leaks, texture, gradients, anything that you want. Tap the droplet icon to adjust the opacity. You can experiment with blend modes icon next to the droplet. Lighten is great for light, leaks, or sparkless. Darken works for grounds or shadows. Add subtract for stronger contrast. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add overlay on Snapseed app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.